Imagine waking up every morning knowing you never have to work another day in your life, but only if you want to. Sounds like a dream, right? For thousands of people, this isn't just a fantasy. It's a reality made possible by something called the FIRE movement. But what exactly is the FIRE movement? And how are everyday people using it to retire decades earlier than their peers? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to break down the FIRE movement for early retirement, explain how it works, and, most importantly, help you figure out if it's the right path for you. The FIRE movement stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. At its core, it's a strategy to build enough wealth so you no longer need to rely on a paycheck. But here's the kicker: FIRE isn't about getting rich quick or waiting until you're 65. It's about living intentionally, saving aggressively, and investing wisely so you can achieve freedom sooner rather than later. The term FIRE movement for early retirement explained might seem self-explanatory, but the truth is, it's a lot deeper than just saving money. It's a mindset shift, a complete overhaul of how you approach your finances and your life. Now let's break this down into 3 core principles. These aren't just theories, they're the actual building blocks people use to make early retirement a reality. The first is frugality, and no, that doesn't mean living on rice and beans forever. It's about prioritizing your spending. What really matters to you? Do you need the latest gadget, or would you rather have a shorter career? The second principle is aggressive saving. We're talking saving 50, 60, or even 70% of your income. I know, it sounds extreme, but remember, this is about achieving freedom. Every dollar you save is one step closer to buying back your time. And finally, investing wisely. This is where the magic happens. Your money isn't just sitting in a bank account, it's working for you, growing through compound interest and market returns. A popular choice among FIRE enthusiasts is low-cost index funds. They're simple, effective, and historically reliable. For those of you who are new to investing or feel overwhelmed by the idea of managing your portfolio, platforms like eToro offer a game-changing solution. eToro's social trading network allows you to connect with experienced traders from around the world, see their strategies, and even copy their trades automatically. Imagine this. You're a beginner with no idea where to start, but with eToro, you can literally learn from the best by observing their moves in real time. This approach not only helps you get started faster, but also reduces the learning curve dramatically. The platform also provides tools to diversify your portfolio with ease, whether you're investing in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. And with its user-friendly interface, even someone completely new to investing can navigate their way to making smarter financial decisions. I've included a link in the description if you want to explore eToro for yourself. It might just be the boost you need to kickstart your investment journey and get closer to your FIRE goals. Did you know there are actually different types of FIRE? It's not one size fits all. Let's quickly touch on 4 of the most common approaches. The first is lean FIRE. This is for people who embrace minimalism. They live on less and retire with a smaller nest egg. Next is fat FIRE. Here, the goal is to retire with a cushion. Think of it as having a luxury budget for your early retirement. Then there's Barista FIRE. This is for people who save enough to cover most of their expenses, but still work part-time, either for fun or to cover health insurance. Finally, there's Coast FIRE. This is when you save aggressively early on, then let compound interest do the heavy lifting while you scale back your work life. Okay, so you're intrigued, maybe even inspired. But how do you actually start your FIRE journey? The first step is understanding your expenses. You can't save aggressively if you don't know where your money is going. Track every dollar for a month. It's eye-opening. Next, create a budget. Be ruthless. Ask yourself, is this purchase helping me get closer to financial independence? If it's not, maybe it's time to cut back. Then, set a savings goal. A good rule of thumb: aim to save at least 25 times your annual expenses. That's the magic number many FIRE followers use to ensure their investments can sustain their lifestyle. Now, let's take a short break before we move on. I really hope you found the information valuable so far. If you're enjoying this video and feel like you're learning something useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot and ensures I can keep bringing you more content like this to help you on your financial journey. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the challenges. FIRE isn't easy, and it's not for everyone. Critics say it's too extreme or unrealistic for families or low-income earners. And there's some truth to that. Saving 50% of your income isn't doable for everyone. But here's the thing, you don't have to follow FIRE perfectly to benefit from it. Even if you save 20% or 30% of your income, you're still putting yourself in a much better financial position. The FIRE movement isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to live life on your terms, pursue your passions, and spend time with the people who matter most. Whether you're aiming for full FIRE or just want to save a little more, every step you take is progress. So, what do you think? Is FIRE something you'd consider? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance content. Remember, your financial freedom is closer than you think. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you the tools and confidence to start your journey toward financial independence. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore my playlist on financial independence. It's packed with more in-depth strategies and practical advice to keep you moving forward. And don't miss my most popular video for even more actionable insights. Just click the thumbnail on the screen. Your support makes all of this possible, so please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep building your financial freedom together. See you in the next video.